Hello, good evening.
Okay.
Good evening, Jessie. Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you? You're good? Are you sure? Oh, you're not
Yes,
good. Why is it like that? You're not good?
like this. Like
Oh,
this.
like that. I thought it's like this. Okay, so that's very good. I think you can do heart like that. Ting. Okay. I thought you are not good. Oh no. So that's good to know that you are good right now. So did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh, for today, what did you eat for today? What?
Rice and fish
Oh, rice and fish. Wow. That's
and hamburger.
wow,
Yeah.
hamburger. That's very delicious. Hamburger. Wow. Is hamburger your favorite food also? I know.
It
Oh,
can be.
yes. Oh, it's your
Yes.
favorite food. Wow. It's because hamburgers are very delicious. Okay,
Yeah.
so very yes. Okay, so now let's again continue our lesson for today. So I think we are close to finishing this lesson. This lesson is lesson number 4. So are you ready?
Oh, what is so short?
Why so short? What's so short?
Short. My
Shh,
lesson is so short.
it's so short.
Yes.
How short? The screen it's is short.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Short.
But can you see it?
Mm,
Can you see it?
no.
No.
Yes, I cannot see.
Okay, let me check. How about this
Okay.
one?
Okay, I can see.
Oh, you can see it
I
now.
can see.
Okay. Okay, so thank you very much. So now,
Là ít quá.
okay, so,
Ít rồi. So
okay, is it,
little.
huh? It's so little?
Yes, little.
Little, super,
I
super
can tell
little?
it.
Okay, wait.
Little
Let's,
Superman.
little Superman. Okay, let's zoom it. Let's try to zoom it. Chin. How to zoom it? Wait. How about this? Is it still little?
Con mở bự ra để con thấy á. Ok. Con kêu ít đúng không? Ít là tiếng chị kẹp.
How to zoom this?
Còn
Oh,
ít đó.
is it still little or no?
Okay, it's big now. It's
Oh,
big now.
oh, it's big now. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so now are you ready? You ready
Yes.
now? Okay. So,
Yes.
so since we learned a new sentence pattern last time, so we will use it to review this time. So let's go first with this number 1. So if you still remember, what color is it?
This is
Hmm. If we combine blue and yellow, what is the color that we can make?
is
Clue.
green.
Yes, very good. It's green. So, what is our sentence pattern after we say it's green? So we say
Blue
blue.
and blue and yellow make green.
Very good. So it's green. Blue and yellow make green. So very good job. Next, what color is it? Oh, you can.
This is mm, red and green make brown.
Okay, very good. So what color is it? It's
This brown.
okay, and red and
Green make brown.
okay, perfect. So next. Oh, number three. What color is it?
It's red and white make pink.
Okay, very good. So it's pink. So
Mm.
red and white make.
Make pink.
Okay, very good. So next.
Mm.
Mm, what color is it?
Huh?
It's
It's red and green make red.
okay, very good. So first, let's answer the question first. So what color is it? We will say
And
it's
it's
brown.
brown.
Okay,
It's
and
brown.
yes, and after that we will answer red and green make brown.
Make brown.
Okay, very good. So next, okay, what color is it? It's
It's purple.
okay.
Blue and red make purple.
Okay, very good. So next, oh, the answer is there. What color is it?
It's dress. Black and white make dress.
Okay, very good. So black and white make gray. So good job. So next, oh, okay. So let's look around the classroom. So we will find some objects here and you will be the one to say the colors. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Um, let's take a look at this one. What is this, Jessie?
Just see a blackboard.
Very good. It is a or this is a blackboard. What color is it?
This is green. I see
Yeah.
green. Not
Okay, very
black.
good. It's green. So yes. So the name of the blackboard is usually we call it as blackboard. However, it differs or the color differs on to its name. So sometimes we call it blackboard, but it's color green. So it's okay. So um however we can
Yeah,
also
I think it's rainbow. Rainbow. Not red. Not blackboard. Rainbow.
it's rainbow rainboard or rainbow board.
Yes, yes, rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow ball.
Rainbow board. Have you seen a rainbow board before? Have
Yes,
you seen?
yes, yes.
Oh, really? Where? Where
I
did
draw, I draw, I draw,
you draw?
I draw,
You draw a rainbow
I
board.
draw. Yes, yes,
W-
yes.
Oh, wow, that's very good. Okay, so next, let's look at this one. Oh, first, what is the two colors that we use to make green?
Blue and yellow mix plain.
Very good, perfect. And next, let's take a look at this one. What is this?
This is a chair.
Okay, very good. What color is it?
Is yellow.
It's what color?
Yellow.
I said yellow. Yellow or brown?
I see look like yellow and
Oh,
red mix.
mix
Mix.
mix color
Mix.
brown and yellow.
Yes.
Oh, and how do we make yellow? How do we make yellow?
Red and red.
No. Okay. So in general, we cannot make yellow because yellow, like red, is a primary color. So when we say
What
primary,
cannot make?
yes, we cannot
What cannot
mix
make?
because it is a primary color.
What's
So,
primary color?
so when we say
What's primary?
okay, so when we
What?
say okay, so when we say primary color, so these are the colors that are cannot be created by mixing other colors together. So instead, this color serves as like the building blocks to create other colors.
Building blocks? What's the
Yes,
building blocks?
building blocks. It is like when you are creating something. So you use, for example, do you know Lego?
Lego?
Yes, the toy Lego. You know that one?
Yeah.
Yes.
I
So
have
like,
I have but my brother
oh,
missing.
oh, okay. So Lego is like a building block. So when we say building block, we create things out of it. So like Lego, we create things out of Legos.
Line 500, line 500
Yes. So we can in Lego we can create flowers. In Lego we can create cartoons like SpongeBob, Batman, or any other cartoons. That is like the primary colors that we are saying. So when we say primary colors, these are what are the primary colors that we have? These are red, blue, yellow. What are the other primary colors? Yeah, that's all.
Eh,
Red, blue, and yellow.
pink.
Oh, pink. Pink is not a primary color because we can create a pink out of a primary color. Oh, actually, black and white.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow is some of the colors in the rainbow is primary color, like red, blue, and yellow, right? Because red, blue, and yellow.
Missing.
Yes, if you mix,
Missing half color. Rainbow
yeah,
color.
yes. But for this one, red, blue, and yellow are the primary colors. So these three colors, if we mix all them together, we can create a lot of colors. That's why we call it primary colors.
Con
Okay?
này tôi nói thì ba màu đó là ba màu chính, có
Do you
nghĩa là
have
sẽ tạo ra các cái
do you
My dad say. My dad say.
yes? What
Look,
did your
my dad say.
yes? What did what did your dad say?
He say Vietnamese. I don't know.
Huh?
He say Vietnamese.
Huh?
He didn't say English.
What? What did your dad said?
Yes, my dad say. I don't know. My dad say anything.
Oh, your dad said nothing?
I, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know what did your dad said? Why are you laughing? You're laughing
So,
you're laughing to your dad, huh? Okay, so that is our primary color. So we use it to mix um other colors or to create other colors. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Okay. So next, let's move on to our next object.
Next object. Next
Next
object.
next object is this one. What is this?
This is a primary book. Book
Very good. Book. What color is it?
is white and blue.
Very good. It's white and blue.
Hmm.
Hmm.
I think I cannot mix.
Actually,
I think
yes.
was
We cannot
cannot
mix white to make white. Yeah. So
some
white is also considered primary color somehow. Primary.
lemon red, blue, yellow, white. Four.
Yes. How about black? Do you think black is a primary color?
I think.
Are you sure?
Mm,
You sure? You sure?
yeah.
Are you
No,
are
no,
you
I don't know.
are you
No,
sure? No,
no,
yes, because
no, I
yes,
know. White
no.
and gray make black.
White and what?
White
White and
and
gray?
gray.
No,
Yes, yes. Grace.
no. If you mix white and gray, you will have a lighter gray. It's not black. But what color we can mix in black? I tried it before, mixing two colors together and it became black. I think it's red and brown. I'm not sure because I mixed it before. So I think it's not
Miss
only
it.
two colors, it's three colors.
I missed
Yes.
this already. Where's my teacher? In my school where I don't know anything.
Oh, you don't know anything. Actually, we can use blue,
red
red,
and red and brown and
blue.
and and yes blue. I
Yeah,
think
black.
but
Oh,
I
I
don't
think
know anything.
we
But
can
I don't
check.
know anything.
I think we can check how to have color black. I think it's red, blue, yellow. Oh, let's check this one. So let's watch a
No.
video for us to know what colors we can use to make black. Oh,
Okay.
it's very loud. Oh, red, yellow, blue. Oh, red, yellow, blue. So we can
Red,
have
yellow,
black.
blue.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have three colors, red, blue, and
No.
yellow.
Yellow first,
Yellow
red
first,
next, and blues, blue,
blue last.
blue next,
Blue last.
last
Last is the
blue
blue.
next.
Okay, okay. So yellow, red, and blue. So yeah, that is how we can make black. So basically, black is not a primary color. So
Yes.
because we can mix colors to make black. But white, yes, white is a primary color because we cannot mix other colors to make white. Okay. So
Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
yes. Okay. So next, let's move on to our next activity here, which is about colors. Okay, let's have here
Colors,
colors.
colors, la 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 la.
Okay, let's have here our first example. So can you read this one? Look at this one. Can you see it?
Once look
Look,
at
two,
the
two.
uh,
That's
look
number
at two
what?
blue
What?
as
What? What?
is.
Okay, wow, very good. Okay, one more time. Let's read this word. Let's see what.
What uh,
What?
uh,
What?
what is this?
Okay, very
What
good.
is?
Very good. So nice. I can see that you can read well. Good job. So look at two. So this is our number two. So what is this, Jessie?
This is an apple. A
Okay, very
green apple.
green apple. Very good. And what can we use to make green?
It's blue and yellow. Green.
Okay, very good. Blue and yellow make green. Okay, next. Look at number one. Number one. What is this? Hmm,
This is it's a pencil.
very good. What
Pencil.
kind of pencil?
Pencil.
What kind of pencil is
Hmm.
it? Is it only a pencil?
No,
No. No.
it's
What
crayon. Crayon pencil.
crayon pencil?
It's
Uh, okay. So nice try. So we call it as colored pencil.
pink
Yes.
pencil.
Colored pencil. So we have that. We have colored pencils. We have different colored pencils, not crayon pencil. So this is a colored pencil because it has a color. And what color is it?
It's pink.
It's pink. What do we use to make pink?
Red and white make pink.
Okay, very good. And let's look at
Teacher,
yes.
teacher, in Philippines, it's
Yeah.
very hot or cold.
All right
In
now,
Philippines, it's hot or cold.
actually right now it's somehow cold because it's rainy season right now here in the Philippines. That's why it's somehow
In
cold.
in Viet in Vietnam, it's raining, but it's very very hot.
Ah, really? Why is that?
Really?
Oh, why is that? Is it still summer there? No.
No,
Oh,
but
it's not.
what's this very very
It's very use your
very very
use your fan. I think you have a fan at your back.
yes, but fan, but
Still hot.
cannot can van, but cannot not cold.
Yes,
Very very.
still I feel that. I feel that. I feel that before last May, month of May, because right now it is June, right? So last May. So May is very hot here in the Philippines. But right now it is June, so it's raining. So it's somehow
Yes,
cold.
it's have a summer in Philippines.
Yes, we have summer in the Philippines. We have a very, very long summer here. And if it's summer, it is very hot. So you cannot
This
go
is
outside.
this is an apple.
This is an
What
apple.
color is? It's green, blue, and yellow. Make green.
Wow, very, very good. Okay. How about this one? Let's look at number 6. What is
Number six.
this?
Number six. What is
Yeah.
number six?
Oh, you
Number
don't
six.
know. You don't know that
It
one?
is.
Starts with
Number six.
starts with letter P.
Hmm. Hmm.
It is one of
Pink.
our what is it?
Pink.
P.
Pink.
How do you spell that? P
P.
P
P.
A P
P.
A.
P.
Oh,
A. E.
are you sure E?
Hmm.
Is it? It's
It's so
how do you read this one? Pink?
pink.
Okay, one more time. Let's say paint. Paint. Okay,
Pink.
paint. Pa, pa,
Pink.
paint. Long A. Paint.
Pen.
Okay, nice, nice. Very good. Again, what is this?
Pen.
Paint, not
Pen.
paint. Paint. Okay, very good. Nice. You got it. Okay, again, what is this?
It's tea.
Paint.
Pen.
Nice, very good. Paint.
Pen.
Okay. What color is it?
It's row. Water
Brown.
row.
What?
Water row.
Water brown?
Water row.
Walker, huh? Huh?
Water.
water?
Yes, water. Yes.
Yes.
Water. Rare water.
Brown water? No, it's paint. Because paint is liquid. Yeah, that is why it looks
Liquid.
watery.
I
Okay.
can read this one. I can read this one.
How?
Look at two.
Oh, look at two.
Was is an apple.
Wow,
What
very
color is green, blue, and yellow. Make green.
wow, very
Finish.
good. Finish. Okay, very good. Good job. How about this one? What is this?
This
This
is a chalk.
very good. This is chalk. Okay. What color is it?
Chalk. It's orange.
Yes,
Orange. Orange.
orange.
Orange.
What can we
Orange.
what can we use to make orange?
Red
Red.
and yellow.
Okay, very good.
Mix.
Red and yellow.
Orange.
Very good. Very
Orange.
good.
Orange. Orange.
How about this? What is this?
It is yarn.
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 What color is it?
Purple.
It's purple. Very good. And what can we use to make purple?
Red
Hmm.
and blue make purple.
Okay, very red and blue make purple. Wow. Nice
Purple.
job. Okay. So last one. Wow, how about this one? What is this?
It eraser.
Okay. What color is it?
It race.
Huh? What color is it?
Race. Race.
Grace? With S? Like this? No, without S, you say gray. Gray.
Ray.
Yes, very good. Without S, not
Gray.
grace. It gray.
Race.
Okay. How do we make gray?
And white. Gray.
Okay, very good. So black and white make
And
gray. Okay,
ray.
wow, very good.
Ray.
Good job,
Ray.
Ngok.
Ray.
So I think,
Ray.
Ray,
Ray.
okay, so I think we had finished lesson number 4. Okay, so for our next lesson, I think we will have a lesson next Monday. So for our lesson, so I will send it to our group chat, okay? For you to,
Monday.
yes, next Monday, for you to be able to review it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time today,
Good
Jessie.
night, teacher. See you on Monday.
Good night. See you on Monday.
Just sleep.
Bye bye. See you on Monday.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.